Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you this awesome crochet tutorial. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have my hair here. Today I'm going to divide a little hair around going like this. I've used this needle here to make it neat. First things first, I'm going to comb this out. I'm holding my hair like this while I comb it out. So I'm going to go ahead and first cornrow this part here. So I'm going to join this with this first line that I created over here. Okay, now that I'm done with this side, I'm going to repeat the process with this other side of my head. I'm not done with both sides of my hair. So what I'm going to do next is to join the heads of my hair to another cornrow here at the back. I'm going to add this end of my hair, hide it, I'll add it inside the cornrow like this. If you decide, you can sew this part up. So the next step, I'm going to go ahead and oil my hair. As you see, in today's video, I'm going to be working with this kinky hair. I have my crochet needle this way. You see, I removed the hook. Now it's this way. I'm going to add my crochet needle to my hair, and then I'll add my crochet braid here. I'm holding it enough, as you can see. Then I'll add it to the hook. I'm going to close the latch here, this little thing here. You push it to close it, and then I'm going to drag the crochet needle across like that. The needle is in the middle of the crochet braid. I'm going to go ahead and add my crochet braid again to the hook of my crochet needle. So I'm going to add this to the crochet needle hook, and then I'm going to drag it through to form a knot. Add your crochet needle to your hair / cornrows. Add your crochet braid to the hook. Close the latch. Drag your hair through to the other side. So this time round, my hair is a little thick. I'll just pick one side of my crochet braid. I'll add it to the hook. Close the latch. I'll drag it through the crochet braid hole, and then I'll pull the ends of my hair to tighten it. Okay, and then this is the other one that is left. So for this other one, I'm going to go ahead and add my crochet needle again to my cornrows, and then I'm going to go ahead and add it to the crochet needle hook again. Close the latch. I'll drag it through to this other side. So this way I'm going to fill a lot of space at the same time on my hair. Look, these are just to braid. There's a kinky tutorial. I have 2 tutorials that I already did up on my channel. How to make kinky hair bundles. There's a recent tutorial that has 5.8k views. Check it out, it's a very good one. And then there's another one that I did a little early. It has more like 6.1k views if I'm not wrong. Check them out, but the second one is a little more detailed than the first one that I did. So I'm going to link down the second tutorial so you can get to access it. My analytics, you guys are not subscribing. You just come around and watch my videos and then you disappear. Subscribe to support me to create more tutorials. moving on, I have my nice and lovely clear jelly as usual. I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges first. This is how I laid my edges. I have this coconut oil again. Thanks for watching again, and kindly subscribe to support me to create more videos. Check out my other videos up on my channel, and check out my foodie channel. It's just down right there on my main channel. It's called Beyond Aroma of Kenya. You can also subscribe over there to support me if you didn't know that was my channel. Yes. See you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe.